Yellow. Andrew Tate suffered a detached retina taking a punch clean on his dome, and that's why this fight was cut early. Let's take a closer glance and break it down.
Good shot there from Ibrahim as Tate tries to walk in.
So what happened was Andrew Tate was likely going for a Thai plum. He was shifting stance into space. He was covering space by shifting stance, stepped in, and he was going for a Thai plum, likely knee, maybe to the body or to the head if he could break the posture. But because he missed, his opponent pulled. His opponent came in with a left hook, clipping him clean right on the orbital. It was a car crash effect. The rotational force of his opponent's counter clattered Andrew Tate clean as he was coming in. Now the commentator does say he broke his orbital, but that's not what happened. He suffered a detached retina. He can no longer see from that eye. He always had issues with his eyes throughout his fighting career. And this was his last fight because of just that. He couldn't continue.
Can't stop!
Oh, he's going to get carried. I think he's broke his jaw, do you think? Wow.
Could go in the first round here. And he's done it in the first round!
No!
Breaking Tate! I think he's broke his orbital bone.
Now, I wouldn't call Andrew Tate mentally weak because of this. He's a very hardworking individual. I don't agree with everything he talks about. I don't agree with everything he says. I think he's a very polarizing figure. But for the most part, yeah, this isn't any slight on his mental strength. He lost an eye. Most people would go into preservation mode losing an eye, and they'd want to stop the fight because who would it be worth it to, really? Maybe Yuri Prohachka. That guy would fight with one eye missing for sure.